Hello, U.S. history students. This is Mrs. Thomas, and I will be reading the Week 7 quiz to you. The quiz has 7 questions. Once you are done, make sure that you click submit and enable your teacher to see it and have it published in your gradebook. Question number 1 is worth 3 points. It is a multiple select, and you're going to select the 3 factors that contributed to the stock market crash. The stock market crash triggered the beginning of the Great Depression, the worst economic crisis in U.S. history. So which 3 factors contributed to that crash? Was it people had the false belief that stock prices would continue to rise? Too many ordinary people were buying and owning stock, purchasing of stock on credit by individuals and trusts, overvalued stock prices, and people were not buying enough stocks, so it fell apart. So what 3 would you select? Question number 2, again, choose 3 other causes for the Great Depression besides the stock market crash. There were too many rich people in the United States. There was an overproduction of durable goods. Too many people were participating in risky banking practices, such as buying too much on credit and not being able to pay it back. Farmers were making a lot of money selling crops to Europe. European countries had problems paying back their loans to the U.S. Question number 3. Which group experienced falling incomes, a debt crisis, and poor standard of living in the years before the Great Depression even began? Auto workers, bankers, farmers, or stockbrokers? Question 4. Which of the following did not contribute to the Dust Bowl conditions in the Plains states? Overplanting of wheat, stripping of natural grasses, severe drought, clear cutting of the region's forests. Number 5, during the Great Depression, what was a common challenge faced by American families? Many families enjoyed an abundance of food due to government assistance programs. Families often struggled to afford basic necessities, leading to widespread hunger and malnutrition. Families had access to affordable and nutritious meals through community soup kitchens. Food shortages were rare as agricultural production remained stable throughout the Depression era. Question number 6. What effect did Herbert Hoover's philosophy of government have on the federal response to the economic crisis? His belief that the government shouldn't get involved meant he did nothing to help. His belief that the federal government should not give direct aid to individuals left millions without help. His belief in the need for an increased government management resulted in many new laws regulating business. His belief in small His belief in small government led him to veto all legislative attempts to address the situation. Good luck on your quiz. Don't forget to submit so it shows up in your gradebook.